Wait 2 minutes. Okay. What is unified thread management? Okay. This is the latest topic. How thread management works in real-time scenarios. You can see in the diagrams and all the things. If any questions, ask me in the chat. I will explain in detail what are the threads today in the real-time scenarios. Today's okay. These are the threats. Risk management attacks. One is cyber attacks. One is email virus or spam mails. One is internet dependent infrastructure. Software vulnerabilities. What is software vulnerabilities? Okay, I will show you. Suppose we will plan to download a software in the google.com search bar. In this, some viruses is there in the softwares. Some of the hackers gets some of the hackers to involve this and hack your system in the form of in the form of malicious codes. Okay, this is software vulnerabilities. This is the one of the vulnerabilities. Please download your antivirus antivirus in your system, that will block unwanted things in your system. Okay, there is one of the cyber attack, firewall attack. Infrastructure attack, etc. We will see in detail one by one. I prepared one documentation. See, this is file-based thread. Okay, this is you can download a file from the internet. There is one thread is there. This is the one thread in the file. That is nothing but malicious virus that is in the form of virus malicious code infection in the form of peer-to-peer instance messaging apps, shareware sites, compromiser servers, web-based emails. Okay. Thread pass through stateful packet inspector in the firewall in the form of firewall. Once inside the network, others are affected. Suppose I will show real-time scenarios. This is your system. This is your system. My computer. Okay. Internet. The other attackers attacks in the form of DDoS. One is cross-site scripting. Okay. Malicious. And some of the viruses. Okay. Viruses. Hackers. Okay. Once enters into the firewall, everything is everything is easily monitored by hackers. Hackers, that is nothing but you can call it about you can call it as man in middleware attack. man in middleware attack. Okay. In real-time scenarios, client send request to the DNS. Client send request to the DNS. I will show you here. Client browser send a request to the DNS to load balancer to firewall, firewall to web server, web server to application server, application server to database. This is the actual architecture of the real-time infrastructure team. Okay, in this, you can call it about this reverse proxy. In the infrastructure team, it will deals infrastructure. Use this architecture. Okay, I will show you Firefox. I am opening Firefox browser. I am disabling the firewall. See, I am disabling. Okay, my anonymous site is disabling. Okay, this is now I am typing my IP address. See, this is my IP address. Okay, actual location. Now I am enabling the anonymous site. I am enabling anonymous. Now this is my current IP address. See, this is my current IP address. See, name of address, remote port, everything is there. Okay, different IP address. This is nothing but reverse proxy. Okay, what is reverse proxy? What is reverse proxy? In the reverse proxy, nothing but reverse proxy, nothing but we can mask the IP address and send to the servers. Okay, forward proxy, we can not mask the IP address. We can easily guess the IP address and more ways to hack the infrastructure in the real time in the organizations we are using reverse proxy. I will show you. See, IP chicken, right? ipcow.com. In this, my address. Check, this is my address. Desktop. This is, see, which net. I am in the London. I am not in London, right? So it will choose London. See, I am in India. It will choose London. Okay? No, it will not London. That is the specialty of the reverse proxy. Okay? Reverse proxy is mask the IP address. Suppose that in the real time scenarios, in the real time, we can download Aadhaar card, Aadhaar card. We can normal Aadhaar card with Aadhaar number. Here another thing is, here another thing we can observe, mask the Aadhaar number. This will deals with proxy servers. I will show you the example. See, mutual ID and all the things. Here, mask, what is the masked Aadhaar? Allow to mask the Aadhaar number to download the Aadhaar. See, this mask Aadhaar option allows to mask your Aadhaar number for security reasons. Nobody hack. This will deals with the proxy servers. This will deals in the proxy servers. Okay. Mask the Aadhaar will deals with the proxy servers. Keep it remember in your mind. Proxy server cannot be hacked. It will mask your current IP address. Actual IP address cannot be sourced. Okay. So this is application attack. Okay. See, this is your server. You can access malicious through internet or firewall to your server. So misconfiguration also issues will occur. Unpatched servers, scope, unpatched servers. If you unpatch the servers, so we can impact our servers. Okay. Attackers send malicious code through buffer overflow and execute program etc. with them and can also use it Daniel DDoS attack using computer to crash. Server is infected. New user who access your servers get infected. Okay. Spyware and adware. Okay. Head software utilize computer internet access without host knowledge. Okay. Actually, 90% of the computers have some form of spyware. Browser habits, site visit, links, click it, etc. To avoid this, Data entered into the form of including account names, password, text, and a key store. And please avoid this. Okay, yours. Okay. Otherwise, you can affected with virus. See, this is the mail antivirus user zones. This is the server zones. This is the firewall. User send request to the server firewall through internet. Send the firewall to server. Okay, he directly sent to the malicious code. See, downloading program Kaja and screensaver Windows utilities download manager file sharing software demo software. Okay, B. Yeah, B is Trojan are delivered downloaded in email. C means in free banner ad based software pop-ups and the most not enable Microsoft Active modules. Okay. That is it. Today's agent technology, network address, firewall technology. See, typical firewalls are referred to the for port blocking, unknown ports are blocked. Okay, only some rules are there. You can rule based on the rules. You can block the IP address. Yellow or DNI rules are there in the firewall. In the firewall, we have written some of the rules. Rules. Okay, only those IP address only allows. Remaining those IP address block it. Starting with 152, 160, 156, 165, 171, 192, 100. We can block this IP address starting with. Okay, these are blocking IP address in httpd.conf and firewall level. They are implemented security rules. Security security rules. Some security rules. Okay, they are the can block access. Okay, like this. How can we keep up network standard UTM? Okay, Unified Thread Management Integration Firewall. This is one of the firewall. It will deep scanning and any virus it will block automatically file-based thread. Antivirus for blocking file-based threads. Anti-spyware blocking spyware. Okay. Faster update to dynamic changing thread environment. Eliminate false positives. There is no okay, false negative. You can block only positive, so you can enter. UTM is a fast scanning and unwanted thing is fast blocking. Okay. Deep packet inspection. UTM is a deep packet inspection, zone based security, and a gateway antivirus, anti-spyware protection, and application layer thread. Full protection from Trojan work and a blended and problem. By using deep packet inspection, it will block automatically in the form of packet and a file based and application security. Application level any thread, it will block automatically by using this. See, this is there. It will block automatically. This is unwanted mails block. See, unwanted mails automatically block by using deep scan, okay, inspection. This is the deep scan, see, server and the department zone deep scan unwanted links. It will block automatically. This is thing happen. Okay, very difficult to preparing the document. Okay, don't misuse this technology behind the sense. See, this is the typically user activity. Our world view. our overview. Firewall, see, typically network traffic limit, see, automatically code some code you have to download automatically. This is the Trojan was and home thread is there. Traffic is equal to multiple packet of infection data in the form of one packet like this. Okay. See, see what is UDP length? UDP checksum stateful packet inspection firewall traffic. See, this is the school and also some destination stateful packet inspections. Okay. This This is deep packet inspection where all traffic moving through the device. Suppose one device is there. Okay, I will show you the diagram. This is okay. This is our computer. Computer to internal DNS firewall. This is DNS. This is firewall. This is laptop or computer. Okay, access. Okay, in the firewall you can use you can deep scan IDS and IPS is there. IDS, IPS. This is we have enable, disable option is there. Disable IDS means intrusion detective system. Okay, these are the we can deeply coming upcoming class. You can deeply is there. Okay, and it will block after this deep scan. Web server, web server, web server to application server. Okay, in the real-time scenarios, this is nothing but web application firewall. Based on the infrastructure, we can use firewalls. Database. This is reverse proxy. Reverse proxy besides the web server, it will mask the IP address. It masks the IP address and all remaining things. For example, Aadhaar number, comma, address, comma, other virtual ID, etc. It will get like this. It will use real-time scenarios. This is the structure behind the security. Okay, this after this is deep scan packet inspection. See, signature database. See, deep scan packet inspection. We deeply scan each and every character. Deeply scan. Is there any malicious attack? Either comparing all the things. Deep scan inspection. See, introduce prevention and block application vulnerability on Trojan was. Okay. See, clearly visible. Gateway antivirus and content controls. We can deep scan and block the antivirus in the form of internet protocols. The content. Okay? This is security must be updated. Unified threat management consists of each and everything is one single dashboard that is nothing but firewall and a VPN and a basic band management and a gateway and everything is single box. Suppose get UTM versus next generation firewall. Unified threat management versus next generation firewall. Okay, next generation means UTM is single point of view, less performance. Next generation firewall performance is good, high availability, etc. This is the thing. I will show you that I have one notes. See, advantages and disadvantages of UTM. See, reduce supporting costs and a lower power consumption. This is the disadvantages of firewall. See, single point of failure, performance and less specialization, lower performance compared to alternates. Okay, this is next generation for firewall. Next generation firewall, nothing but see deep packet inspection. Deep packet inspection is already shows deep packet means each and every packet must also be scanned. Malicious is there or not. We can scan deep scan by using IPS and IDS tools are there behind this port and inspection or blocking. This is UTM and the next generation firewalls. See, And what is web application firewall? See, example shows below. This is DNS already shows and this is a forward proxy content mod JKL and mod security and everything is there. Cross scripting alert and prompting etc. You can use see this is already you can show an example forward proxy. Forward proxies acts on behalf of customers, gathering data from variety sources and deliver it to them. Only proxy servers know about the client, not provider servers. See, Tor are their proxy is their browsers. Okay. I downloaded one Tor browser. I downloaded Tor browser. I downloaded one Tor browser. Okay. In Tor browser, every node data will be see every node data will be encrypted. See, connect. See, possible ransomware detected. See, block. See, okay. Understand, right? This is the thing happen in the real time scenarios. See, five, nine files are modified. No detection is there. Okay. See, our antivirus is there, so we can block. Cannot run this software. Any virus, it automatically block. Okay. This is nothing but deep scan inspections. Okay. What is VPN? Okay. What is VPN? VPN is the most secure and masking IP address and tooling. Okay, browser advantages. This Tor browser advantages standard union router under design and a modified version of the Firefox web browser and a much square antivirus advantages, anti-spyware and free open source building government censorships. How proxy works in real time already shows right. Forward proxy and reverse proxy. Okay, this is IDS and IPS. IDS is nothing but continuously monitoring and environment detect alert malicious IP address unauthorized access and like this say this is the architecture of IDS and IPS. Okay, like this in real time scenarios we can use IPS intrusive prevention system technology monitoring environment and response automatically with malicious at attempt to gain unauthorized access or detected. So it also referred packet snippers and intercept packet via various communications media protocol, usually TCP. TCP means communication based TCPs and IP protocols. I will show you real time examples. Say I configure data source in my environment. So by using TCP IP protocols is configured 1433 is the TCP protocol. See I configure TCP. You can click TCP. See IP address. See 1433 is the SQL Server port numbers. See and enable yes IP address. This is the IP address. This is IP6. Okay. IP4 is different. IP6 is different. Triple A is IP6. Single A is IP4. We can this is the various DNS type already discussed earlier classes. Okay. This is 1433 we can configure in the real times. See, this is SQL Server data source we can configure for test connection purpose. This is TCP dynamic port numbers. See, protocols. Which protocols we are using? TCP protocols. See, enable or disable TCP. This is communication protocols compared to UDP. TCP secure. UDP is connectionless for live stream. See, for live stream, live stream purpose, you can use UDP, UDP connection. UDP means Universal Discovery Port Number. For TCP means Transmission Communication Protocols. This is connection based or connection oriented, etc. More secure connection in the form of VPN, in the form of VPN, virtual private network. Virtual private network uses TCP or IP protocols. It is more. It will mask the IP address and details of the organization. Full secure, full secure. No IDS and no IPS will hack your servers. It will not breach. It will not security breach. This is UTM and next generation firewalls. Okay. Next classes we can configure CyberArk and other things. Next we can CyberArk. We can configure in the CyberArk and how CyberArk is in and how CyberArk and privileged access management archons will use in the real-time scenarios in upcoming classes. Upcoming classes. We can set up lab using CyberArk. Lab setup. You can set up a lab CyberArk, and these are licensed products. Every year we can purchase or renew the license. Next, after cybersecurity, we can deal with CyberArk. How CyberArk will implement in the real-time scenarios, and what is the drawback. And as it is, I will show in the snapshot how CyberArk damage disadvantages. What are the advantages? Disadvantages of CyberArk and advantages of Archon's spam. Okay, Archon's spam is most organizations using compared to CyberArk. PEM, privileged endpoint access management. Single dashboard, everything is configured. But CyberArk, every module have separate libraries, separate modules are available. Those are purchasing license product then only. In the PAM, or privileged access management, Archons, We can configure one time, and we can purchase license one time, 10 years, 12 years. It will support update and everything is separate. Okay, this is the we can see in the real time scenario. After cyber security, we can after cyber security class we can configure. Okay, how set up lab setups in the cyber arc and all the things. Okay, this is I will show you. I will show you. This is UTM alternative compound premiers rack UTM. Okay, everything is single dashboard criteria, performance complexity, UTM benefits and UTM costs. Ideally, better internet facing securities. See, it's all about management. See, anti spyware and everything, bad activity and everything. So, unified threat management, information security solution protect against threats. See, advantages, disadvantages. See, UTM versus next generation firewalls, unified management, multiple security functions in a single. And experts agree difference between UTM and a blurring technology used both essential same generally use same capabilities. This is web application firewalls. See, non-HTTP attack you can attack under legitimate usage HTTP attack, and web application firewall cannot enter only secure connection only we can access. Okay, web application firewall. See, only HTTPS secure only enabled. Is there any process scripting? Is there we can block damages dangerous. Okay, this is forward server. See, proxy server behind like how proxy server and forward proxy is there. This is forward proxy server, monitoring and filtering everything is there. Logging server. This is transparent. This is reverse proxy server act as see, internal network. Reverse proxy server act on behalf of the servers in service. Reverse proxy forward the request to one or more regular servers which process them. Reverse proxy server mask the existing and future and original server, acting as a secondary line in defense against cyber attacks. Load balancing. Load divided into upcoming requests from the server by using round robin algorithms. See, load balance here. Okay. Request is okay. We can assume this sample diagram. Client. This is DNS. This is load balancer. This is web application firewall. This is web server. Okay. Until this, we can only understand. Okay. In this, we can use IDS and IPS. Their IPM is intrusive prevention system. Okay. Like this here, load equally distributed among the servers by using round robin algorithms, and health check of all server, health check from all server. Okay, we can configure LB using big IP. Big IP in the big IP we can use IP or subnet ranges. IP or subnet ranges, etc. Etc. This round robin means round robin means one server down request will reach into another server without business loss. Business loss. This is the real-time scenarios. Everybody knows. Those who are IT peoples, everybody knows. This is Tor browser. What is the Tor browser? Stands with Onion router and designed anonymous and project internet usage. Okay. Can be as said. Tor browser Tor developed by non-profit organization as a part of Project 2008 modified version of the Firefox web browser. Okay, this is advantages: anti-spyware and free open source. This is Tor browser sender, send receiver and private data, and hacker is this is the hackers. This is ISP, internet service provider. Hacker hack your private data. See, what is the difference between Tor and VPN? Free open source and may not be open source on a multi-relay points and a single server configuration, fast performance and slower performance, multi-layer encryptions. Encryption varies, voluntary services owned by companies. Every company have VPN is there, their own VPN for security persons, audience. Okay, onion routing. See, sender receiving the computer and take all computer and sender receives ideas are discussing ideas from this mode. It will on yellow means yellow, dini means dini. Okay, router. This is main function of ideas. IPS. See, malicious traffic, host based traffics and everything. See, signature based detection, real traffic like this. You can use in the real time scenarios. Any queries? Please ask them. We can close the sessions. Thank you for watching this. So we can close the session. Yeah, please share channel to your friends and family members. Those who are learned cyber arc, cyber security. We can use this and on upcoming classes we will deal with the cyber arc and all the things. All technology we our aim is all technologies in the single dashboard. This is our aim. Please share to your friends and family members. Those who are coming into the IT field. These are most important concepts we can discuss